Justine of Metanoia Soapiness. I am from Panacelis Mountain Province, Philippines. This video is a continuation of our candle making collaboration part 1. Last time we made the unboxing of our fragrance oil collaboration box from DC Daily Candles and Supply. We also had a fragrance oil smell testing for the 4 scent samples. So today we are going to make some candles using the materials that was sent by DC Daily Candles and Supply. So we could make proper review of our fragrance oil and soy wax. So without further ado, let us proceed. So firstly, this is the measured pine fragrance oil, which we are going to add on this melted soy wax. We just have to mix this carefully to bind the soy wax and fragrance oil. Otherwise, there will be separation during burning of the candles, which may create fire. So using this bamboo skewer, we have to patiently and carefully stir this. Then we are going to pour now on this prepared glass jar. So I believe we have measured perfectly. Next is the cherry blossom. We just have to measure the soy wax, then followed by our cherry blossom fragrance oil. After the wax was melted, we just add our fragrance oil and mix it repeatedly to ensure that they bind together. We have to mix this patiently and passionately. Then let us pour it on the labeled jar. For our next fragrance oil, it is the orange scent. Again, let us measure the soy wax, then proceed to melting. Next is to measure our orange fragrance oil here while waiting for the soy wax. So let us add our fragrance oil, and as you can see, we just mix this again, and when perfectly bind, let us pour on the glass jar. Lastly is our tropical fruit fragrance oil. So here is our soy wax. Then let us proceed to melting. Then let us measure our fragrance oil corresponding to the measurement of our soy wax. Then let us now add to our melted wax and do the mixing again until they are fully incorporated. This tropical fruit has the strongest scent among the 4 fragrance oils. Now let us pour on the jar. So there you go guys, we just made 4 scented candles using the samples and the supplies from the DC Daily Candles and Supply. So we just have to wait to cool down and cure for 2 weeks before we can lit them for burning tests so that we can assess the cold and hot row. Just a reminder guys that these fragrance oil samples are not yet posted on the Shopee account of DC Daily Candles and Supplies. They are still in the testing process, so hopefully we can help them to decide whether to bring it to the market or need some improvement depending on the result of our testing. So watch out on our part 3 of this video guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, notification bell, like, share, and comment your thought as well. Thank you for watching, stay safe, have a good day, God bless. Bye bye!